Hello viewers, welcome back to the Cars and Cars channel. Today is quite a cold morning, it's around 3 degrees and we are going to have a check on the fleet. So first we are going to do a cold start on a petrol and then on a diesel engine, and then we'll see how they behave the cold. But first, alright, as you can see the car is quite iced up, but we are going to still do a cold start. Let's see. Alright, as you can see the car has started very well and it's still quite iced up, but it will de-ice in no time, I'm sure of that. You can see how much smoke comes out of the exhaust, but that's normal because it's humidity from the air. So if you ever notice smoke from the exhaust of petrol cars, that's absolutely fine. Now we'll let it run for about a couple minutes and we'll have a check after those few minutes. Alright, while we wait for the petrol car to warm up, we're going to have a cold start on the diesel engine. Okay, let's insert the key. Let's check for neutral, and now we can start it. Alright, started right up, and we'll have a check after a few minutes of warming up.
A few moments later.
Alright, here we are, a few minutes later, and the car is almost totally warmed up and has stopped quite a bit of smoking from the exhaust, and that's good. And for today, that's it for the petrol engine. This is a petrol 4-cylinder, 1 liter from Volkswagen, and has electronic ignition, and it has a multi-point injection of fuel. So that should be good for cold and icy weather.
Many minutes later.
Here we are again with the diesel engine, and it's been a couple minutes. It has warmed up real nice, and the windows are starting to defog into the ice. We have very little smoke coming from the exhaust, as you can see. That's okay, because it's all humidity from the cold weather. Let's have a check again on the engine. As you can see, this is a Renault 1.6 turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine, and it sounds quite nice actually. You can hear it's not the typical diesel and tractor sound. It's quite refined actually. Alright, that's it for today, and if like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to stay tuned, don't forget to turn on the bell for future YouTube notifications, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!